Do we have to?
No, it's fine.
No?
It does it automatically.
Oh, right. Okay. That's cool. That was a temperature place.
I didn't realize it
Automatically.
automatically when you just walk. That's so
This is
weird.
new. Isha, is this new?
Yes, that's what I'm saying. This whole part is
Complex.
new. Yeah.
Oh,
This
wow.
look here, as in it was being built last year.
That's so cool. What are you saying? That's my Prashad.
So this is the hallway. Obviously it's not a nice house. This is the living room. I have my washing up right now. This is how I dry my washing at the minute. So that's not done yet, but I'm going to put this away because now it's dry and then to actually take this upstairs. Is this dry? This could be out for a couple more minutes.
So whose is this?
No, we just pause it.
I like it.
Thingy and it's up.
Did you buy it?
Yeah. And then
What, it didn't have a sofa?
no, we had a sofa blanket and
Oh.
we're going to put more decorations just a bit of time.
So that's a lounge?
Yeah, we did. It just wasn't on because I was I'll turn it on now.
Okay. Okay.
This is my kitchen. Mine. I just bought it in from my car. I bought it. I know. I just
Oops, ouch. I nearly fell.
This is my kitchen, which Ashani has put all her stuff in, otherwise it was clean.
What?
This is it. Nothing
Looks
too special.
so much bigger.
I know,
when
even Tanya said the same thing. I know,
I
it's
had
tiny.
no idea.
I know.
Where should I put my tea? The preferred tea area. Do you not have a tea area? Where's your kettle?
I'm impressed that there are no dirty dishes. Shumi, did you make a special effort?
No, we always do the dishes. We've got a
Oh,
dishwasher.
really? Oh, you've got a dishwasher. Okay, that's good. Right.
Ashani, do you have anything else you want to... Wait, can we just fill up our water bottles before we go upstairs, Ish?
Yeah. I don't want water bottles on too.
Yeah, neither of us, so do you want to do mine as well, please?
Okay, should we go up to your room now?
I have one of the sheets on my bed. Yeah, we can go up.
So this is drinking water, obviously.
Yeah, obviously. Oh, and let's put the mugs away, your mug.
Does the extractor fan work?
Yeah, the extra is fantastic.
Yeah, are there any lights going up? So, this is Sushmita's
I have
idea
not cleaned
accommodation.
The bathroom
Okay.
in a hot second, so...
Oh, this is the bathroom. Okay.
It's really gross, I know. Toilet and then shower.
Toilet. There's no toilet roll.
Yeah, there's so many here.
It's big, I just thought it would be too smart about it.
Okay. Yeah. Isha, this isn't the room.
I know, Thanks for the help, Mom.
Yeah, let's put this stuff down. Leave the suitcase here, leave the suitcase here.
I actually...
Leave the suitcase here.
She can't leave the suitcase here.
Yes, she can. This is why I make some TikToks, like a little area.
Turn on the light.
Oh, wait, see that?
She does. She has a whole face routine and everything. So your study table is also your dressing table.
It's everything in one.
And you get a nice window. So what is the view from your window usually during the day?
It's literally just like my neighbor's garden.
I can't see anything else. I like your little puja jaga. Do you actually pray? You do? Where do you have the incense? Oh, you have the candles. Third year, Sushmita. How does it feel having your younger sister come to stay,
It feels
Sushmita?
so weird, but it doesn't feel weird yet. It's gonna get weird. It's gonna feel strange later.
What are the plans for this week then?
Take it to... Well, it's Ash's birthday on Tuesday. So she's doing it to her I go study at Volcans, she's going to come with me and bring her laptop and do studying. If I go to the library with my friend, she's going to have to come with me and study. She's going to be studying and partying.
You're attending a party, so Ishani, her friend's birthday party. How do you feel about that? Okay, I'm going to leave you guys to it then. Bye! Bye! Okay, we're going to go back and we're going to pick it up because I told you that the camera is important. I haven't been vlogging.
You have to drop the back anyway, so it's fine.
So we are in House of Flavors in Reading, and look at this interesting table.